How to pay your Atome card using Instapay. Now, in this video, this is going to be very straightforward and without any additional features that will be given out to you. But all you really have to do first is, of course, go into your Atome application, log in into your account. Now, if this is going to be the current bill date that you'll have to pay for this date, all you have to do is just simply tap and press on Pay Now, and you will automatically be redirected to have a copy of your current bill. Now just simply choose on payment method and choose InstaPay as your preferred payment method and make sure that you have sufficient fund or enough fund to pay for the current bill that you need to pay on Atomi so that it will go through without any problem. Now input necessary details such as your InstaPay account number or your mobile number and then just simply input the specific amount. Take note that if you're using Instapay, there's going to be a specific transfer fee or transaction fee that is going to be included. You might be surprised on the bill that will be given out to you. And that's how you pay your Atome card using Instapay.